Here comes Supernature!
Supernature, English language courses for ages 5 to 8 that help build children's English vocabulary and grammar skills while teaching them about plants, animals, ecology, and more.
Psst, hey. Hi, I'm Chloe. And I have a secret I want to share with you. I'm Supernature, and I can turn into anything in nature.
Can you say hello to Chloe? Hello.
Supernature activities are specially designed to fit this age range.
Chloe is a girl, but she's not only a girl, she's also Supernature.
Supernature is far better than anything else I've taught. Much more vocabulary. The children can express themselves in full sentences.
What can we do? What can we do? Excellent, great. Okay, everybody, come up to the table. We're going to act out the story.
Play, drama, music, and song are all part of the Supernature experience.
I'm in the playground.
Oh, a cat is up in the tree. What can we do?
Here comes Supernature! Supernature! I'm in the playground.
Oh, a cat is up in the tree.
Supernature learning materials teach approximately 500 English words in each course,
What can we do?
using terminology found in nature and situations that relate to a child's world.
Here comes Supernature!
Look, it's Supernature. Supernature is a giraffe. Supernature is bringing the cat down.
Supernature gives children a positive feeling towards nature and the world around them.
Thank you, Supernature.
What is it?
Children learn about the environment in a friendly, gentle way, act out stories, learn interesting facts about nature, and all in English.